Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year 2020. This is Josh here to teach how to compare two different Word documents using Microsoft Office Word. Well, you would have edited a document or given the document to someone else to edit and you don't know what they have edited. This is addressed by using track changes options in the Word, but if you have not turned on track changes, how do you go about it? Once you open the document, you can see the option called Review, and once you click it, you will see something called Compare. There's also Combine, which you can see later. Now I'm going to click on Compare. Once you open the Compare, it's going to look something like this. Here, with this icon, you can browse the document, click the original document, click Open, and browse the document that has been edited. Click and open. Now there are more options to compare the comments or footnote and much more, but we are going to see only the basic function of this in this video. So once you click OK, it's going to open a new document showing all the difference between the original and the edited documents. It's going to highlight the document like this. Now you can save this new document. There you go, a small video to demonstrate how the compare option in Word works, which many of us don't use. This is Josh here signing off. Till next time, see you.